Hi guys, in today's video we are going to find out is it possible to connect Blum with your wallet. So we are going to check out in this video. So first step you need to do is to open your Telegram. So once you open, here you can see Blum, so you simply need to click on that. Here you can see launch Blum, join community. So let me close this. So you simply need to click on launch Blum, and here you can see waitlist is paused, too many people in line. We are pausing to keep the app running smoothly. So click on join community. So I am in the community, and here you can see that in the community as well there is no update how to connect Blum with your wallet, and currently it is not possible. Maybe in future updates it will be possible and I create video on that, but currently you are unable to do. You can only use Blum community here, but if you launch Blum, here you can see that waitlist is paused, so you need to wait for that. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.